Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Anderson Island Cabin on Half Acre with Fire Pit. It's a non-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Anderson Island Cabin on Half Acre with Fire Pit is located in Johnson Landing, 18 miles from Museum of Glass, 25 miles from Hands-on Children's Museum, and 15 miles from Pacific Lutheran University. Guests staying at this vacation home can use the free Wi-Fi, a fully equipped kitchen, and a balcony. Including 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, this vacation home features a flat-screen TV and DVD player. Towels and bed linen are featured. University of Puget Sound is 16 miles from the vacation home, while Tacoma Dome is 17 miles away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.